What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. So here's the Civic, painted as you can see, quite the orange peel. You can see, you know, roller marks and orange peel and all that shit. But I'm gonna do another 2 coats actually. I figured I'm just gonna take this off and sand it down. There's some overspray here, but I'll get rid of that, no problem. I'm gonna sand it all down and do 2 more really thin coats. And then I'll try and get rid of this orange peel with some 1000 or 2000 grit. But it's okay. I mean, you know, whatever. It came out all right. Definitely good for a roller job. Definitely good for my first roller job. I've never even fucking used a roller on a wall before. I've always used brushes, but you know, whatever. That's not even the reason we're out here. Why we're out here. I've got check engine lights in my Integra P0303, the cylinder 3 misfire. I have a new distributor for it. A couple weeks ago when I had the issue, the rotor cap, its screw had come loose and backed out. So I don't know if that's the issue. Also, there's a crack here. And, you know, I don't know. I think I need to replace the distributor anyway. So, better safe than sorry, for sure. So let's get this old one off and the new one on. Damn screw backed out again. It's hot as fuck out here. Oh, it's so hot out here. Test drive though. Let's do this. Getting out this shady alley. There we go. Drives, no check engine lights. Yeah, she drives.